Hey guys, so in this video I just wanted to talk about getting people to pay you to become a customer, right? Russell Brunson gives an awesome example of this inside Traffic Secrets. If you haven't got it, go get it because you can listen to the audiobook, and even hearing him describe it, you'll still get a really good understanding of this. So, so what he talks about is, these aren't his numbers, these are just ones that I threw down there. Because when you hear it, if you're, maybe if you're new to this or whatever, but you hear him talk about spending, like, say, $10,000 in ads, and they made $9,000, right? As far as what people bought. So really the profit was only like $1,000. So really it seems like, oh, well, not that much for all that time and effort that you put in there. But, let's say that we got 90 new customers out of that. The great thing is people have paid now to be a customer of yours. You've got 90 new customers. The cool thing is anything that you offer to them, because now they're on your buyer list and you control that traffic, you own that traffic, and you can just send out a blast to them without going through Facebook or YouTube or having to create an ad, and just say, hey, are you interested in this? And now let's say, what was 4%, 5%, say 5% conversion rate. Out of your 90 buyers, you send them to an offer and you get a 5% conversion rate. So what is that? 4 buyers, 5 buyers, right? And you didn't have to pay anything to acquire those people. All you had to do was send them an email because you own that traffic. And now anything that you make from those new buyers to the offer that you sent them, which is probably going to be way higher price than what we charge them here, right? And now all of a sudden you're making, thousands of dollars without having to go and have this preliminary ad spend. So if you haven't got your hands on Traffic Secrets, definitely go check it out, because Russell gives a way better example than I just did in my crappy on-the-spot math. So check it out for sure. But that's the great thing, especially with his book funnel, when he breaks down his book funnels, because it's not about making that initial profit. It's really about the back end and just having your ad spend covered by the money that you made with your customers coming in here. So this probably should have said 11 instead of 10. I just realized looking at the reflection here in the video that I got the math wrong. So that is awesome. That's good. Next time I'll try and double check the math before I go and do this type of thing. But hopefully you understand the concept that I'm talking about, because when you do go and spend money on an ad and you have somebody come in and pay money and become a customer, and then you're able to go and market to them again, once you see that in action and you do it, then you'll really get it and you'll really appreciate kind of the magic of this, right? So go check it out. See you in the next video.